Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. So as you know that I have started a series in which I talk about 6 things that I have learned in my 6 month of curly hair journey. So I have uploaded my first and second episode already, so you can check them here. So my last episode was on about big cut, so you can check it out if you are in the transitioning phase and if you want to know that is big cut is necessary or not. So yeah, so from the title you already know today I'm going to talk about pre-poo. And before that, if you are a curly head or like watching curly hair related videos, make sure to subscribe down below because I make curly hair related videos. So yeah, before wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So yeah, what is pre-poo? Pre-poo is basically preparing your hair before shampooing. Before shampooing your hair, you need to prepare your hair for that, all of that cleanliness you are going to give. So your hair needs to be prepared. So why it is important to pre-poo your hair, especially if you have curly to wavy hair. So if you have straight hair, your natural oil can travel to the ends of your hair, so it will not leave your hair dry by the end of the day or consecutive 3-4 days, because it's easy for straight hair to travel the natural oil from your roots to the lengths. But if you have curly to wavy hair, your natural oils are not able to reach till the ends of your hair, leaving your hair dry. Why is that? Because like straight hair is like already like straight, so your oil can travel easily. But if you have curly hair, your hair is round, so the oil that is producing in the scalp area is not able to travel till the end of your hair because of the texture you have. So it is important to oil your hair, especially if you have curly to wavy hair, because your natural oils are not able to reach till the ends of your hair because of the texture you have. So it is quite important to like oil your hair. So earlier I didn't used to pre-poo my hair, like majorly because of two reasons. First, I'm too lazy to do that. Like if anyone is interested, you can apply oils to my hair, I won't say anything. But taking out time and oiling my hair, I'm just too lazy to do that, and I'm still a lazy person. But after entering into the CGM world and got to know about all the benefits of the like pre-poo and everything, I try not to skip it. So yeah, first reason was like I'm lazy person, and second would be I have really oily acne prone skin. Like you can see all these scars I have and all the acne stuff. So second major reason was not oiling my hair was that I already have so much oily skin, and applying oils to my hair really like it doesn't work. So I used to like avoid oils, but what I do now is whenever I apply oil, I wash my face with a cleanser after that and apply a thin layer of powder in the corners, like on the ends of the face, so that the oil doesn't transfer from the scalp to the face, like just to avoid. And I usually keep my oils for 1 to 2 hours, not more than that. Otherwise my skin becomes too much oily and I don't want to take that risk. So I minimum keep my oils for 1 hour or max 2 hours, not more than that. And you can use any oil you want. It's not necessary to use a particular oil. You can use any oils you want. I will show you what oils I use, but it's not necessary you have to use that. You can use anything that you want. And also it totally depends on you for how long you want to keep the oils on your hair. You can apply it in the night and wash your hair next day. You can keep it for 2 hours, 3 hours, how long you want. It's your preference. I just keep it for the shorter period of time because of my oily skin, and I have like serious acne issues, so I try to avoid that. But now I'm going to tell you what to do about the first reason, like the lazy one. So I'm like बहुत ही आलसी हूँ मैं. I'm like extremely lazy person. So nowadays also sometimes I feel like यार who will pre-poo your hair like हर बारी. It like I know it takes like 10 minutes to pre-poo your hair, but फिर भी. So what I like in like 2 months back, I got too lazy to oil my hair, so I skip oiling for like 2 to 3 weeks continuously, and I could see my hair was literally so dry after 2 weeks of washing my hair. Like only I skipped 2 to 3 weeks of oiling and my hair ended up so much dry. So oiling really helps in retaining the moisture to your hair, and it doesn't allow to strip your natural oil when you are washing your hair, especially with sulfate free shampoos. So oils really help in retaining the moisture you have and helps in providing the nourishment back to your hair, because the natural oils are not able to travel to the ends. So it really helps in providing that nourishment and the moisture. And also it doesn't leave your hair dry when you wash your hair, because you have already prepared your hair before shampooing your hair. So it really helps, and it also helps in avoiding high growth fatigue. If you know what is, or you can search what is high growth fatigue, or I will paste something here. So it also helps in avoiding high growth fatigue to your hair. So for me, oiling is kind of important now, and it also helps with hair growth and everything. Now I'm not going to say that you have to use this oil and your hair will start to grow. No, it all depends on so many things, your genes and everything, and how your hair growth capacity is. But oiling really makes sure that you are providing the nourishment and retaining the moisture that your hair needs. And like, this is my day 2 hair and my hair is not dry at all. Like, there are also so many things you can do, but Prepoo really makes sure that you are not going to end up with dry hair. So you can apply any oils you want, you can keep it for how long you want, and also there are so many oils available in the market. You can choose what you want to do. So like, if you are a curly head and while scrunching out the crunch SOTC, you can also use a lightweight oil to seal the moisture in your hair, as it helps in giving you that shine afterwards, and also helps in providing like the taming the frizz that you get. So I always apply a lightweight oil while SOTC, because it gives me the shine that I need and helps in taming the frizz if I have some. So yeah, for me, I just oil. And for those lazy days which I feel like, oh, I don't want to Prepoo my hair because I'm a RC. So what I do is, rather than taking a bowl and mixing 5 different oil, I just take some 2 oils on my hands directly, thoda sa, and then just apply it. Like, it's like applying the oil 20%, because I'm lazy to apply it 100%. So I just apply it thoda sa, and I'm just happy with it ki chalo kuch to kiya. It's better than not applying anything. I'm applying something, some amount of oils in my hair. So on the lazy days, I just take few drops of oils on my palm only and just apply it on the scalp, and the remaining I just apply on the length of my hair and then keep it for an hour. Obviously you can skip Prepooing if you don't have time. Like, sometimes, I'm not saying ki skip it every time. Like, if you are busy in a week or 2, you can skip it like 1-2 hafte because you don't have time or anything. But try to incorporate these things. It really helps in providing that nourishment, and like, your hair will feel, you will feel okay, my hair is not dry after washing my hair. So yeah, so now I'm gonna show you what different oils that I use, and I mix them in a bowl and apply it. So first is this castor oil. You can use any castor oil you have, or it's your choice if you want to use castor oil or not. I use it. And then is this aloe vera gel, which is almost finished. So I just take few like amount of this. And then there is this sesame oil, and then there is this onion oil. And then not recently, like, it's been a 4 to 5 months that I have started using this vitamin E capsules. You get 10 capsules for 30 rupees. So you can try them if you want. I use 2 capsules and mix them with all these oils. 2 capsules each time I Prepoo my hair. And I have heard it really, like, I used to use them earlier as well, kabhi kabhar. So they really help with hair growth and everything. So you can try if you want to use them. So these are the oils that I mix in a bowl and apply as a Prepoo. And when I am scrunching out the crunch, I use this jasmine flower oil. This is a really lightweight oil, so I use it while scrunching out the crunch. It helps in giving me the shine and taming the frizz. So yeah, I hope that this video helped in letting you guys know about Prepoo, and if it is important or not. You can see if you want to incorporate this in your routine or not. So yeah, I don't miss out on Prepoo anymore. So I have learned this in my 6 month of journey, that how Prepoo is important for my hair. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful and you learned something from this video. You can check out my previous video here. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video and found this video informative. And if you do so, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and do share it with your curly hairs. Till then, bye.